Welcome to Mary and Mike English channel. Today, we are going to McDonald's. In this video, you will follow a simple story about Emma and Tony ordering food in English. Don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Hello everyone, I am Mary.
And I am Mike. Before we begin today's story, I want to see if you can spot two specific details during Tony's challenge. You will find both answers inside.
Here is question 1. What drink does Tony order at McDonald's today?
And question 2. What is the special Canadian item on the McDonald's menu?
Listen for both answers. The second answer is something Tony has never heard of and might find strange. If you find them, write them in the comments below. Writing in English helps you improve faster. Much faster. All right, let's meet our friends Tony and Emma. Tony is visiting Emma in Canada. He is excited, but also a little nervous.
Nervous? Why?
Because today, Tony wants to order his food in English by himself. No help.
Oh, that is a big moment.
It is. But Emma is patient. Emma is kind. And she will help Tony feel comfortable.
Just like we help our listeners.
Exactly. Okay, everyone, listen carefully. Enjoy the story. And don't forget, find the answers to both questions.
Ready?
Ready! Let's begin.
Emma, I'm so hungry right now.
Me too, Tony. I'm hungry too.
I haven't eaten since this morning.
Me neither. What do you want to eat?
Something fast. Something easy.
Fast and easy?
Yes. What do you think?
What about McDonald's?
McDonald's! Yes. I love McDonald's.
Me too. And there is one very close. Just around the corner.
Perfect. Let's go.
Wait, Tony. Today you have a small challenge.
A challenge? What challenge?
You are going to order by yourself. In English. No help from me.
By myself?
By yourself.
Emma, I'm a little scared.
I know. But you can do it. The words are very simple. Trust me.
Okay. I trust you. Let's go. Oh, Emma, can you smell that?
Yes. That smell is everywhere.
Is that the fries?
Yes. Hot McDonald's fries. You can always smell them from outside.
That smell makes me even hungrier.
Me too. Come on, let's walk faster.
Yes, let's go. Wow. It's really busy today.
Yes. Lunchtime is always busy here.
There are so many people.
It's one of the most popular ones in the city.
Emma, where is the menu?
Look up, Tony. Up on the wall.
Oh, up there? That big board?
Yes. That is called the menu board.
Menu board. Okay. I see it now. Wow. There are so many things. Burgers, wraps, salads, desserts.
Yes. Many choices.
I don't know what to choose.
That's okay. Take your time. No one is rushing you.
What are you going to order?
I think I want the McChicken combo. What about you?
Combo? Emma, what is a combo?
Oh, good question. A combo is a full meal. It's the burger, the fries, and the drink. All together. One price.
One meal. Everything together.
Exactly. It is usually cheaper than buying each item one by one.
That's smart.
Okay, I want a combo too.
I want a Big Mac combo.
Good choice. A Big Mac is very popular.
I love the Big Mac. I always eat it back home.
Some things are the same everywhere.
Yes. The Big Mac is always the same.
Okay, are you ready to order?
I think so. But Emma, what do I say first? How do I start?
Easy. You just say, "Can I get?" and then the name of the food.
Can I get?
Yes. Or you can say, "I'd like." Both are correct. Both are very natural.
Can I get a Big Mac combo?
Perfect. See? So easy.
That is easy.
I told you. Come on, let's go to the counter.
Hi there. Welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you today?
Hi. I'd like the McChicken combo, please.
Great choice. And what would you like to drink with that?
Orange juice, please.
Perfect. And for you?
Um, I'd like a Big Mac combo, please.
Excellent. And your drink?
Can I get a Coke, please?
Of course. And what size would you like?
Medium, please.
Great choice.
I did it.
You did it.
Is there anything else I can get for you?
Actually, yes. Can I also add a poutine, please?
Absolutely.
Wait, Emma, what is poutine?
Oh, you don't know poutine? Okay, so poutine is a Canadian food.
I've never heard that word.
It's very famous here. It's fries on the bottom,
Fries?
yes, and then on top, gravy.
Gravy? What is gravy?
Gravy is a warm sauce. It's made from meat juices. You cook the meat, and the liquid that comes out, that is gravy. It is dark brown, it is thick, and it is very savory.
Savory?
Savory means not sweet. It tastes rich, deep, warm.
Okay, so hot fries and then warm brown sauce on top.
Yes. And one more thing, cheese curds.
Cheese curds? What is a cheese curd?
Good question. A cheese curd is a piece of fresh cheese. Very small, soft inside, a little bit squeaky.
Squeaky?
Yes, fresh cheese curds make a small squeaky sound when you bite them.
That is very strange.
I know, but it is delicious. So, hot fries on the bottom, warm gravy on top, and soft cheese curds on top of that.
Fries, gravy, cheese curds?
All together. That is poutine.
It sounds very heavy.
It is a little heavy, but on a cold Canadian day, it is perfect. I promise.
You promise?
I promise.
Poutine is one of my favorites too. You have to try it.
Okay. I believe you both.
So, one McChicken combo with orange juice, one Big Mac combo with a medium Coke, and one poutine. Does that sound right?
Yes. That's perfect.
And is that for here or to go?
Emma, for here or to go? What does that mean?
For here means you sit inside. To go means you take the food with you.
Oh. For here, please.
Perfect. That will be $23.50.
Emma, I want to pay today.
Tony, you're my guest. I'll pay.
No. Please. Let me pay. You are teaching me today.
Okay. Thank you, Tony.
Here is your receipt. Your order number is 54.
We'll call your number when it's ready. It should be just a few minutes.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your meal. Thank you.
Emma, I'm really proud of myself.
You should be proud. You ordered everything by yourself,
I only asked one question.
and that's okay. Asking questions is part of communication,
I thought I would forget everything.
but you didn't.
Can I get a Big Mac combo, please?
Perfect.
And medium size.
You remembered everything.
And I learned a new word today. Combo.
Yes. Combo. Burger plus fries plus drink. One price.
I'll use that word forever now.
Good.
And what was the other word? When we said we wanted to eat inside?
For here,
For here. And to go means
take the food with you.
for here. To go. Got it.
Number 54. Oh, that's us.
I'll get it. I can do it. I got our food.
Look at you. So confident now.
Okay. I have your McChicken, my Big Mac, your orange juice, my Coke, and the poutine.
Perfect. Everything is here.
So this is poutine.
This is poutine.
It looks better than I expected.
Try it. Go ahead.
Oh,
Good?
this is incredible.
I told you.
The cheese, the gravy, the fries, everything together. Amazing.
Now you understand.
Why don't we have this back home?
It's a Canadian thing.
I'm moving to Canada
Just for poutine?
just for poutine. And my Coke is perfect. Cold and fresh.
Good.
Emma, thank you for today. Really,
For what?
for bringing me here, for teaching me, for being patient.
Tony, I didn't really teach you anything. You already knew how. You just needed to try.
That's true. I just needed to start.
Fear is the hardest part, not the language.
Fear is the hardest part. You're right. Once I started talking, it was easy,
And the next time?
even easier.
Exactly. That's how it always works.
To English
To English.
and to poutine.
And to poutine.
Beautiful. Tony did it. He ordered in English by himself.
I loved that moment when he said, I did it quietly.
Me too. That moment is real. Many of our listeners know that feeling.
And now, let's look at the key phrases.
Yes. The first phrase, can I get? This is how you start your order. Natural, friendly, polite.
Can I get a Big Mac, please?
Perfect. Or you can say, I'd like. Both are correct. Both are used every day.
I'd like a medium Coke, please.
The second phrase, a combo. Burger plus fries plus drink. One price.
Easy to remember, one word, everything included.
And the third phrase, for here or to go. For here, you eat inside. To go, you take the food with you.
3 phrases, 3 real moments.
Use them next time you order food in English, even at a coffee shop, even at a food court. These phrases work everywhere.
Mary, before we continue, can I say something?
Of course.
If this story helped you today, please give us a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now.
Every like and every subscriber helps us make more free lessons for you. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Wait, Tony isn't the only one who loves McDonald's? I have 2 fun facts about McDonald's. These are interesting. Listen carefully.
I love this part.
Fun fact number 1. Did you know McDonald's serves 69 million customers every single day?
69 million? Every day?
Every single day. That is more people than the entire country of France. In one day!
Wow. The yellow M really is everywhere.
It really is.
Okay, what is the second fun fact?
Fun fact number 2. McDonald's has special menu items in different countries around the world.
Like poutine in Canada?
Exactly. In Japan, you can order a teriyaki burger. In India, you can order a Mikalu Tikki burger. That's a spiced potato burger. In France, they have croque McDo. And here in Canada, poutine.
Every country has something special.
Every country. Because McDonald's adapts to the local culture.
That's actually really cool.
It is. Food is culture. And culture is language.
I want to travel everywhere now and try every McDonald's menu.
That is one way to learn about the world. Okay, everyone. Do you remember the 2 questions from the beginning?
Yes! Let's answer them.
Question 1. What drink did Tony order at McDonald's today?
Did you catch it?
Tony ordered a Coke. A medium Coke. He said, "Can I get a Coke, please?" Question 2. What is the special Canadian item on the McDonald's menu?
Poutine!
Poutine! Fries, gravy, and cheese curds. All together. Canada's most famous fast food dish.
And Tony loved it.
He really did. Now, it is your turn. Write 1 sentence in the comments. Use "I'd like" or "Can I get?" Tell us your favorite food order.
We read every single comment.
Remember, English improves through use, not memorization. Use it every day.
Practice makes progress.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep going. Keep practicing. We believe in you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.